Hi guys, welcome back with me again at this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a beat sync videos using Wing video templates. So what you need to do is open the Wing apps and then scroll down until you find the beat sync or sync beat options. Let's just scroll down. This one is sync beat. Click on the sync beat, and here there are lots of templates of videos that you can use. The video is aligned sync with the beat, so what you need to do is just tap on use and then select your videos. After that, click on done. So after that, you can just save the result. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.